Hello, my name is Taylor Ross. I'm the owner of Frustum Virtual in Los Angeles, California. Today I'm going to show you how to use Aximmetry DE, a Treadmill, and Unreal Engine to create virtual walk and talk and car process shots in real time. This is an advanced tutorial using a tracked camera setup, so I won't be covering the full project or tracking configuration. Instead, I'm going to show you the specific settings inside Aximmetry DE that let you move the entire virtual environment around your talent. Step 1. Set the billboard to Studio Relative. Open your project and navigate to the input control board at the top. Select your main billboard, the one your keyed talent is connected to. On the right in the settings panel, change the transform mode to Studio Relative Real World. This tells Aximmetry to keep the billboard fixed to the studio space. Step 2. Expose the Basecam transformation pin. Navigate back to the Flow tab and select your tracked camera compound. Right-click and choose Edit Compound in place. Double-click on the tracked camera compound to open it. Inside the compound, find the Scene node. On the Scene node, find the pin labeled Basecam Transform. From the Scene node, drag Basecam Transform to the left panel to expose it as a pin. Navigate back to the main Flow tab, select Root in the upper left-hand corner. You should now see a Basecam Transform pin on your tracked camera compound. Step 3. Add and animate your sequence. In the Flow tab, right-click in the gray area and select Insert Module. Search for Sequencer. Select Sequencer and then select OK. Now we need to add a sequence node, so we'll right-click in the gray area again, select Insert Module, search for Sequence, select Sequence Node, and then select OK. Connect the tracks pin to the sequence position and sequence rotation pins on the sequence node. There is also a sequencer scale, which I will leave unconnected for this tutorial, but you can connect if you'd like. Click the 3-bar icon in the upper right-hand corner of the module to reveal all of the pins. Then connect the World Transformation pin from the sequence node to the Basecam Transform pin on the tracked camera compound. Now open the sequencer by double-clicking on it. This is where you animate the movement of your virtual environment. As the sequencer drives the Basecam Transform, the world moves smoothly around your talent, creating a natural, realistic walk and talk motion while they stay in place on the treadmill. I've already set up a sequence, so I'll just quickly reconnect the sequence node's World Transformation pin to the Basecam Transform pin on the tracked camera compound. As soon as this connection is made, you can see that my virtual environment is now moving behind my keyed talent. The talent stays completely locked in place while the virtual world moves around them. This setup is perfect for long walking shots when you don't have the physical space to move across your green screen stage. The talent walks in place on the treadmill, the billboard stays locked in Studio Relative mode. Together, this creates a smooth and believable walk cycle, making it appear as if the talent is actually moving through the virtual world. Because this is a tracked camera setup, you're not limited to a static frame. You can get the perfect dolly shot or even go fully handheld to create dynamic, energetic walking sequences in real time. It gives you all the freedom of a real location shoot while staying entirely inside your virtual production studio. That's how you use the Studio Relative billboard combined with the sequencer and the exposed Basecam Transform pin to move the virtual environment around your actor. It keeps your keyed performer locked to the real-world studio space while giving you full creative control over the virtual world. Perfect for walk cycles, run cycles, and even floating or flying shots. Be sure to like and subscribe for more videos, and thanks for watching.